Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
As mentioned, new pads are typically abrasive and are sometimes coated with protective elements that can cause noise. After some wear, sometimes referred to as a bedding process, that brake pad squeak will go away. 17 May 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The noise may be due to the brake pads, particularly if they are not OEM pads. Non-OEM pads sometimes have chunks of metal in them, and if the caliper is sticky, at takeoff, i.e., while still at low speed, the pad may be rubbing against the rotor until you get to a high enough speed that the pad finally retracts. 28 November 2016.
Let's help you make your mark.
WD-40 has lubricating properties and isn't going to be good for your brakes, as you have probably figured out by now. It will increase your stopping distances. Your brakes won't work as well as they should. You need to get that crap off your brake rotors and out of your brake pads, if you can.
Take our lead.
Bedding in new pads and rotors should be done carefully and slowly. Most brake pad compounds will take up to 300 to 400 miles to fully develop an even transfer film on the rotors. Failure to follow these procedures may result in brake judder, excessive noise, or other difficulties in bedding in the new brake pads.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.